1 million robots. That's the number Amazon just hit in its warehouses, and it's a milestone that could change how we think about the future of work. For 13 years, Amazon has been deploying robots, but this week it delivered its 1 millionth unit to a fulfillment center in Japan. Think about that. Amazon's warehouses are now so advanced that the number of robots may soon equal the number of human workers. In fact, 75% of Amazon's global deliveries already involve a robot somewhere in the process. Before I go deeper, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. I want to hear what you think about robots running warehouses at this scale. Amazon isn't just adding more machines, it's making them smarter. The company just rolled out a new generative AI model called Deep Fleet, designed to coordinate robot routes and boost fleet speed by 10%. They built it on SageMaker, trained on Amazon's own warehouse and inventory data. Translation: faster deliveries and sharper efficiency. And the robots themselves are evolving. Earlier this year, Amazon unveiled Vulcan, a robot with 2 arms, one for rearranging inventory and another with a suction cup and camera that can literally feel what it's picking up. That sense of touch is a huge leap in automation. Amazon's big vision is clear. In 2024, they launched their next-gen fulfillment centers with 10 times more robots than older sites, alongside human workers. The first of those opened in Shreveport, Louisiana. It's all part of a strategy that started back in 2012, when Amazon acquired Kiva Systems and went all in on robotics. So what's the takeaway? Amazon isn't just scaling operations, it's rewriting the playbook for logistics with AI and robotics working hand in hand. Don't stop here. Watch the related video in the corner to see how other industries are racing to keep up. And if you got value from this, like, subscribe, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments.